Alright, so now we're going to go check out the third bay here at L&K Express Wash. And that's right, we're going to do their touchless bay this time. Look at that, nobody's here. So yep, I filmed the right touch on the left, the surf line on the right, and now I get to do this one, and it's cheaper too. I like M5s. They're like just as good as 4000.
Welcome. To purchase a car wash, make a wash selection and enter your method of payment.
Holy crap, that's loud. That scared me. That was loud. That. Keep it up a little bit. So you have your wash options of 7, 8, and 10. So you don't do cash for this one, I think so.
You have selected the Ultimate Car Wash. Please deposit $10.
I think that's the loudest pay station voice I have ever heard. That is like ear-piercingly loud. I do have a $10 bill. I'll do that, and I want to cut out any part of the video just to, you know, do that. Alright, that's good. Somebody's gonna go into the right touch, and somebody's gonna go into the surfline bay as well. Let's see. Oh, is it because I have the end chipped off or something? Well, let's try it this way. It won't take it that way. I think I am supposed to do it this way, but the tip is cut off, so that's why it's... Oh, it worked that time. And...
If you would like a receipt, press refund now.
Okay, that is.
Thank you for your purchase.
That is so loud.
Please pull into the wash bay.
We got the old style Gatling gunners right there. And of course they don't spin. That one does. Alright, now I get to check out this one. It's a good thing this one's cheaper too. Wait, I just realized there are no dryers here at all. Okay, that's probably not a good sign. Presoak is very watery. It's not like being fanned out very well. I think something is leaking on my car up there. I wouldn't be surprised if they put a 360 or another surf line in here pretty soon. fast. These are fast. Oh, I hope the trifoam works. Hey, it does. The arm's gonna scoot back out. There. Mixed up for the week. Presoak. Let's see, yep, that's our spot 3. And then after that, I'll be ready to head out. I'm gonna go check up on the other, I'm gonna go check up on the bay wash here. I doubt it's gonna be working, but yeah. If it is, that'd be cool, but don't have high hopes for it. That should be it. I don't know if I've ever seen an M5 without dryers before. At least it's spot-free water. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed that video. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.